Hello guys, this is Sham and today I will be drawing a water drop. First of all, we have to draw the basic shape of the drop, which is more like a U shape, narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. The side which is facing the light is going to be darker than the other side, which will be lighter. After shading the drop, we are going to blend it with a cotton bud or blending stump. It depends on you. This side is facing the light, so we're gonna make it look a bit dark. This side is going to be lighter than the one which is facing the light. Don't shade this little spot as light is reflecting from here. You can pick the extra graphite with the help of a tissue paper or a kneaded razor. Now darken this boundary of the drop with black ink or a black charcoal pencil. Here is a trick I am going to share with you. If you want this white spot to appear brighter, then you have to make its surrounding darker. Now we are going to draw the shadow, which will be darker near the drop and will become lighter as we go away from the drop. Guys, if you have some questions, let me know in the comment section, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.